Hey guys, alright, so we're looking at the ANCEL OBD2 scanner reader. It's a product I really love. I just keep it in the car with me. It has come in pretty handy. Friends, family, and so on, from time to time borrow it from me. Should start charging for it to be for them to use it. Maybe make some like a side hustle, but it's pretty good. It keeps it basic, straightforward. You go in, you read codes, vehicle has no faults. If it does have a fault, you can check, you get the code number, and you can do your research, confirm, all of that niceness. You can do your data stream. You can view graphic items, or you can select specifically what you want to look at. So like I can look at short-term fuel train, long-term fuel train, camera intake, fuel pressure, and you can just watch. I can see things change live and direct as it's plotting the graph and what have you. So it's pretty simple, and if you do have any codes you need to erase them, you select that, erase codes, and you can get rid of them and do your tests and so on. Vehicle information, you can get the VIN number, all of that niceness. So yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10 for size, easy, convenient to carry around. It doesn't take up a lot of space, doesn't need a lot of accessories. It does what it needs to do, and I'm satisfied with it.
Por acá, sí, señor. Viene para montar una isla esta semana. Que voy a estar por Bogotá. Toda esa gente que publica que está en otras ciudades porque está buscando un polvo en la ciudad. No, hombre. Claro, papi, yo sé por qué se lo digo, porque yo cuando fui para Medellín digo, hey, no va a un lugar de la ubicación de qué aeropuerto está saliendo. Claro, y todos tenemos clientes en diferentes ciudades del país. Yo porque tenemos seguidores en todos lados. Y entonces uno dice, ¿para dónde me iré? Y empieza la gente a contestar, ay, que es por acá. Ay, llega, y uno depende, si contesta el flete o el pelito que uno necesita que conteste de esa ciudad, uno dice, le contesto. Y si no cae nadie, si uno no ha terminado de casar, uno ya monta una historia en el carro, llámese taxi o Uber, camino hacia el hotel. Entonces ya uno dice, linda mi ciudad Pereira, linda mi ciudad Barranquilla, linda Cali.